Hi guys, I hope you're doing great. Would you like to make commissions like this every week or even more? My name is Remy and I'm helping people to start their profitable affiliate marketing online business. You know, becoming an online entrepreneur takes time, effort, dedication, consistency, and a minimal investment in your knowledge. And when I say minimal investment, I'm not talking about, online courses that will cost like hundreds or thousands of dollars. Not at all. I'm talking about an online course that where the cost is less than a Happy Meal at McDonald's. That online course that is so cheap will teach you how to do affiliate marketing the right way. You will learn the basics, but the basics are enough to start your affiliate marketing journey. You know, in the last few years, I have known what it was like to live from paycheck to paycheck. I know also what it's like to avoid opening the bills. Um, I know what it's like also to put back a product on the shelf because the price is too high. I know what it's like to ask my children, to wear the same old clothes week after week. I know also what it's like not being able to sleep because of high debt. But you know what? I discovered affiliate marketing just by accident on TikTok. I started affiliate marketing back in December 2020, but at that time I was very stubborn. I wanted to do all by myself. I wanted to learn all by myself by watching hundreds of hours of video on YouTube. I've tried paid ads on Google, on Bing, didn't work. My first try of, doing affiliate marketing was a complete fail. So one day I was on TikTok and I saw a video of Jonathan Montoya. He's a great affiliate marketer and he was offering an online course that was cheaper than a Happy Meal at McDonald's. So I said to myself, why not? I will give it a try. What do I have to lose? So after the class with Jonathan Montoya, what I did is I learned and I applied what I've learned uh, with my affiliate marketing business. And guess what happened? Boom! Commissions started to kick in my bank account. The reason of my video now is to offer you the same chance that I got myself. I just want you to stop searching and worrying. So if you wish to bring more money in your bank account every week, just like this, and without to worry about having two jobs and burning yourself out. Under this video, you will see a small button. If you click on it, I will bring you to the same online course that I followed myself. This small course could change your life. But if you are not ready to put in the effort, the time, the dedication, the consistency, then it doesn't worth it. So you should just stop that video and continue your journey and have a good life. But if you are ready to put the time and effort and consistency and dedication, then I promise you won't regret it. You will own the skills. No matter what you do after the class, it will stay with you. That skills will be yours forever. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Let's see each other on the other side. Bye bye.